Come here, do a close-up. Look at this hood panel, man. It's got hard water, so it's like a custom paint job. See all the metal flake? Oh, that's got a lot of candy in it. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see the sparkles? So watch, I'm going to use this Lukat Fix It. It's not a wax, it's cleaner. This paint is extremely dirty, okay? Yeah, you can wash it and all that stuff, okay? But this is going to get everything that's on there that needs to come off, but the paint. But look how beautiful this guy looks. Wash it first, park in the shade, use this guy, and it's going to deep clean that paint. Oh my God, I'm thinking about just buying this hood just to keep it because it looks so doggone good. Look at that, wow. Okay, so I cleaned it. Oh my gosh, let me get the camera. We're gonna do this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but man, oh man, look at it. You guys see the sparkles on this guy? Holy smokes, I love these kind of paint jobs. Look at the sparkles on that thing. Oh shoot. I just like this kind of stuff, guys. Sorry. But look how beautiful that came out.